world each of us live in is defined by our access to resources. The way people and things move today has changed as a result of the EV industry's exponential growth. As we step into a new age of opportunities, we must continue to redefine energy to create positive change. At Sun Mobility, we focus on creating an ecosystem that encourages and empowers the masses. With a smart, compact, and convenient solution for urban mobility, presenting SwapX, the highly space-efficient, modular, and automated swapping station. It's closer to the customer, offers a better ROI, and improved scalability. By empowering millions of businesses through partnerships in the ecosystem, we are enhancing the EV infrastructure to create a future in which environmental, social, and economic considerations are balanced in the pursuit of development and improved quality of life. Join us as we build towards that change that can enable a better present and sustainable future for all. Sun Mobility.